The second body is the Market Authority. Capital Market Authority, CMA. CMA, the Capital Market Authority, regulates mergers and acquisitions involving companies that are listed on the Securities Exchange, companies that are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So if the companies that are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange choose to merge or to acquire or to take over other companies, the Capital Market Authority has to be involved. The CMA has developed regulations, what we call takeovers and mergers. That is Capital Market Takeovers and Mergers regulations. These are regulations that guide the acquisitions and mergers involving companies that are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. You understand? These regulations provide the framework for such activities. And the CMA ensures that there is transparency. The CMA also protects investor interests and so on, particularly the interests of the companies that are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. You understand? So the Capital Market Authority, through the takeovers and mergers regulations, ensures that there is transparency, ensures that the interests of the public, the interests of the various stakeholders are protected. So this is the second body, the Capital Market Authority.